Hi, I'm Andrew Sullivan, Senior Public Information Manager with the City of St. Cloud, coming to you today from our Emergency Operations Center in downtown. Today we're abuzz. We're going through our tabletop exercise to get prepared for this hurricane season. We're make sure that we have our plan set, we're working efficiently, and that we're working through all problems that you might experience during our storm season. So, same way we're urging you to review your plans at home, get ready, make sure that you're prepared. We're doing the same today to make sure that we're a resilient community, and when we work together, that we can handle whatever Mother Nature throws at us.
Well, all that should be getting ready to be geared up, 110%, for the simple fact that having the message and having the plan helps everything.
Making sure they understand what the Alpha Bravo schedule is and how it operates, and then make sure that they have all their equipment ready to go.
This is an example of something leaders that can just pull up, see it anytime, and have real-time access to data.